Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. So I have a couple of jobs currently hiring that you can apply to today. These jobs were posted 5 hours ago as at the time I was recording this video. So as at the time you're going to watch this video, it's going to be like a day old. So you can apply to them because a good number of you have been asking for direct links, direct job openings. So I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for the sake of you guys that are looking for jobs hiring. So if you're interested, I have a couple that are hiring from Africa and anywhere in the world, and I also have a bonus one for those in South Africa. So if you're interested in applying for jobs, then you can watch this video till the end. Give it a thumbs up. We are not reading scripts today. We're not talking too much. We're just going to go straight into the business so that I can show you these jobs that are currently open. You check them out. I'll leave the links for you guys in the description, although it is not allowed, but I'll try and leave the links for you in the description. Just click on it. It takes you to the website. You check them out. If you qualify, you can apply. I've told you guys to get your CV and cover letter ready for jobs like this. So before we go there, give this video a thumbs up. Right, it's very important that you like the video because it helps YouTube promote and push it out to people who are really in need of jobs. Okay, please subscribe if you're seeing me for the first time, and drop first time and let me know the type of job you're looking for. And if you have any questions or concerns, just drop it in the comments. I reply to almost all my comments. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the website. It's called trulyremote.co. Guys, if you're looking for a remote job, then you need to go to this website called trulyremote.co. So if you want to work remotely from anywhere, be it Africa, Asia, Oceania, Europe, Latin America, Middle East, United Kingdom, anywhere in the world, come to this website. Okay, so what you can do is to sign up for job alert. Okay, I do this as well. Even though I'm not searching, I still sign up for job alerts, and I get job alerts whenever new jobs are posted. Here you can find truly remote jobs. New listings are added every single day, and they are pre-screened for quality. Okay, we're talking about quality. You can find jobs in development, design, product, marketing, business operations, finance, sales, HR, customer service, and other categories. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys a few. Okay, this one you can see client support specialist, workplaces, B2B. They're hiring from Africa, Asia, Europe, Latin America, North America, Oceania, Middle East. It was posted 5 hours ago at the time of recording this video. Okay, and maybe by the time you're watching it on Saturday, it would be maybe 15 hours later, so it's still very fresh. Okay, so you can open it and check what is there. They have business operations principal and is hiring from anywhere in the world. Posted 10 hours ago. Be the first, be one of the first to apply. They have project research and due diligence, Asia, senior platform engineer, North America. So you can check the one that is in your location. This one is performance marketing manager, anywhere in the world. Check the one that is in your location. Global rewards manager, anywhere in the world. I actually visited this one and I will show you guys in a minute. So just check the jobs out. Senior data engineer, anywhere in the world. Web designer, anywhere in the world. So you need to go for the ones that says anywhere in the world to apply. So I opened that reward manager here. This is it. Global rewards manager. It says about the job is remote, is resolving modern organizations' biggest challenge. The position is a key role on the people team focused on shaping remote global total rewards approach. The requirements include extensive experience in total rewards role with a strong focus on strategy. Key responsibilities, check it out. Application processes, interview with recruiter, interview with director of total rewards, future manager, interview with director of people partners, interview with team members, no manager present, interview with chief people officer, bar raiser interview, prior employment verification check. So you can check it out. This is the pay here. I'll not mention the amount because of YouTube policy. This is the annual salary range here. And you have they have benefits as well, other benefits for you. So just check it out. How to apply: you fill out the form below and upload your CV with a PDF format. They kindly ask you to submit your application and CV in English, as this is a standardized language they use here at Remote, this company here. If you don't have an up-to-date CV but you're still interested in talking to them, please feel free to add a copy of your LinkedIn profile instead. So if you have a LinkedIn profile that is up to date, feel free to put that if your CV is not up to date. But your CV should be up to date if you're seriously looking for a remote work or any type of job at all. So this is the form here. You're going to fill this form with your details, your CV, cover letter, and send it to them. Then when they get back to you, that you can proceed from there. You put your ethnicity, your gender, and every other detail here. Okay, I don't want to waste too much time on this particular job. So feel free to come to trulyremote.co and apply and search for any type of job in different sectors, customer service jobs. Then sign up. Okay, sign up here to get email alerts whenever a job is posted. Client support specialist, workplaces, B2B. It's remote. And you read the job details here and the qualifications. Working hours is 5 days per week, 9 hours per day, 1.5 hours of daily break time. So you check it out and see if you can apply for this one as well. The main point here is for you to visit this website, trulyremote.co, and do your job search. Okay, narrow it to the type of job you're looking for, be it customer service, operations, product management. Narrow your job search. This one is project manager anywhere in the world. It was posted 2 days ago. I just wanted to show you guys. Onboarding operations specialist. Then I'll give you guys this one. This company is a reputable company called Aha. Okay, guys, love my voice. This company is called Aha. They are a reputable company and they hire from different locations, including South Africa. That's why I'm sharing this. They're also hiring customer service, customer success, engineering, product, UX departments. So this is a bonus for South Africa, North America, South America, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia. Okay, so you can go for this one. Product Success Manager. Check it out. They're hiring New Zealand, North America, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia, South Africa. They're hiring for this unique role and they are number one product development software. They help more than 1 million product builders go from discovery to delivery and bring their strategy to life. Okay, check them out as well if you're in South Africa. Just go ahead and apply. Click on apply button to take you here. This is their application page. Application for product success senior manager. With your details, remember your CV and your LinkedIn profile, the country you live in, although all the countries are here, but they're hiring from a few countries I mentioned: South Africa, New Zealand, and other countries. Put your time zone. This is for South Africans especially. I've got your comment. This one is for you. This company hires from South Africa especially. You guys have better chances of getting a remote job, believe me. So you complete this application and send it. I just want to hear testimonies by January because most companies are recruiting now for people to resume by January. All right. The company is Aha. I'll try and leave the link in the description for you guys as well so that you can check them out. You can also sign up here so you can be getting job alerts. It's very important that you sign up to these job websites. I have signed up even though I'm not looking. Do yourself a favor by signing up, okay? Create a job alert so that you'll be notified whenever they post new jobs. For these ones I shared now, I will leave the link in the description. Trulyremote.co. Go there, search for job in your area of specialty. I did not do a broad search because I do not know your specialization, your area of specialization. That's why I want you to go there and make use of it. But there are jobs that are currently hiring that were posted today. That's what motivated me to do this video. So please get your CV, international standard CV, with a cover letter that goes with it. Update your LinkedIn profile so that you can be applying to jobs. So from the 15th of December, we are starting a 1 week daily job application. I'm going to pay for 14 days subscription to some of the top recruitment remote job sites. And then I'll be getting jobs for you guys. If you're interested, just get your CV, get your cover letter, join us on that 14-day. If I have the energy, yes, I will upload videos every day on the jobs that are hiring for that day. So all you have to do is to pick up your CV and cover letter and apply. Okay, like I said, companies are hiring now. Most job listings will close by January. So you need to tap in, seize this opportunity, and let's get this job. So if you're interested, get your CV, get your cover letter, and drop in the comment for me. I'm ready. That will motivate me because I'm going to pay money for these sites. And I need to see that you're ready before I start making those videos. Before I pay for subscription and start making those videos. You can actually get jobs from these recruitment sites, but paying for the subscription means that you're going to be getting active listings, not just ordinary, like ordinary jobs on the website. No, active ones that were just posted. That's what you're going to get. So if you want to follow me on this, then comment I'm ready and we'll kick it off on Monday, the 15th of December. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share with someone, and subscribe if you're joining us for the first time. I'll see you in the next one.